Suno AI just dropped a massive update that changes how we approach music generation. It's the new sample feature. Now, usually when we use AI music tools, we're either generating something from scratch with text, or we're doing a cover, which changes the sonic veneer of a song but keeps the structure. But sampling is different. Sampling is about taking a specific piece of audio DNA, a guitar riff, a drum break, or a vocal chop, and weaving it into the fabric of a completely new composition. And today, I'm going to walk you through 5 different examples, ranging from simple loops to complex genre flipping. Let's jump into it. I'm starting here in my workspace. I have this very simple 15-second clip of an electric guitar strum that I had previously created as part of a cover. It's raw, it's short, and it's perfect as a sample. I click the 3 dots on the track, go to Remix Edit, and hit Sample this song. This opens up our new creation dashboard on the left, with our selected clip loaded. Here, you can select the portion of your track that you want to create a sample with. Since the audio clip I chose is very short and suitable as a sample itself, I'm dragging the handles to select the entire duration. We want Suno to analyze every bit of that texture. Now, I don't have lyrics at hand for the lyrics box. So for the lyrics, I'm typing daydreaming and letting the AI generate some lines. From the options, let's choose the diner version. For the style, I will select mellow pop and enhance that for a detailed prompt. But the real secret to mastering this feature is the advanced options. We have our 3 sliders, and it is important to understand that style influence and audio influence are constantly fighting with each other for dominance in the result. If I leave style influence high, Suno is going to prioritize the genre tags I typed in and likely bury the guitar sample. I don't want that. So I'm dropping style influence way down to about 15%. Then I'm cranking audio influence up past 80%. By doing this, I am commanding the AI to let the guitar sample lead the song. Let's hit create.
Coffee gone cold on the table. Homework open, page 22. But I'm halfway down the coastline, riding shotgun there with you. I keep daydreaming, drifting off again. Turn this small room to a world with no end.
And just like that, Suno has built a full mellow pop song around that one strum sample I provided. That pop track sounds great, but it's a bit static. I want the song to breathe. So I'm taking that generation we just made and opening it in Suno Studio, and now I'm going to extract stems from our song. Once that's done, I'm going to insert them all into the main timeline. I have full control over the mix. I want to create a professional dynamic shift between the verse and the chorus. To do this, I'm focusing on the drums. I'm duplicating the drum track, so I have 2 identical layers. On the first drum track, I'm chopping it so it only plays during the verses. On the second drum track, I'm chopping it so it only plays during the chorus. Now I select the verse drums and open the EQ panel. I'm applying a low-pass filter. I'm grabbing the 5th frequency band and dragging it far to the left. Watch how it cuts those high-end frequencies. I'm also lifting the 3rd band in the mid-range just a bit to keep some warmth. Now let's hear it.
Coffee gone cold on the table. Homework open, page 22. But I'm halfway down the coastline, riding shotgun there with you. I keep daydreaming,
Pretty good, right? What I just did was create a muffled drum sound for the verses. It sounds like the beat is coming from another room. But when the chorus hits, it switches to our second drum track, which is full, bright, and punchy. This creates a massive sense of energy when the hook drops. Okay, next, let's look at how we can sample for vibe rather than just melody. I'm selecting a track from my library called Smoky Vintage.
Coffee gone cold on the floor, clock blinking 3:04. Every room a quiet echo of a song I used to know. Shadows, late nights, and forgotten melodies.
It has this crackly, old-school, lo-fi atmosphere that I really like. Just like before, I'm going to go to Remix, Edit, and click Sample this song. But this time, I'm not using the whole song. I'm dragging the selection handles to isolate just a part of the intro and verse.
Clock blinking 3:04.
Now, I want to take that smoky noise and apply it to a completely different style. For the lyrics, I'm going with Night at Hollywood, to let Suno write the lyrics for the full song. For the style, I will go with minimal piano, and let Suno enhance that to a detailed prompt. My goal here is to see if Suno will keep that vintage crackle and atmosphere from the sample, but replace the original instruments with a clean, modern piano. I'll keep the weirdness and style influence low with a high audio influence, and hit Create.
Red carpet peeling at the seams. Cheap perfume in the limousine. Your glitter heels in my backseat.
The result is exactly what I was hoping for. The track, Hollywood at 3 a.m., has all that sampled character and lo-fi grit. But the composition is a brand new minimal piano ballad. One of the coolest ways to use this tool is by sampling your own AI generations to create something totally new. I'm going back to a track I created earlier. Let's go for Sample This Song and choose the portion of 30 seconds. I will give Suno the creative freedom for generating the lyrics and style for the song. For the lyrics, I'm typing Sound of Music to generate the lyrics. For the style, I want to go completely opposite of the original. I'm typing Anime Songs and enhance it. Sliders similar as before, and hit Create.
Hills are alive, they say, with the sound of nothing much. Just wind whistling a lonely way, and maybe a squirrel's crunch. My ears, they are ringing from all this quiet singing. Oh, mountain high, tell me why the silent screams wrecking all my dreams.
For our final demo, we're moving away from the library and doing an external upload. I've recorded a raw audio file of myself singing a rhythmic harmony stack, just a simple da-da-da-da loop. Da-da-da, 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 da-da-da. I'm going to upload audio and bring that file into Suno. I'm letting Suno generate the lyrics for the theme of Good Morning. For the style, I'll select Growing and enhance it. Adjust the sliders similar as before, and let's hit Create.
Coffee steam in quiet rooms. Fern face down, I watch the bloom.
but wasn't quite what I was looking for. It does not reflect my vocal record with harmonies. So now I'm going to go back into the style box and explicitly type the words backing vocals and harmonies in the style prompt. Let's generate it again.
Bare feet on a coated tile, inbox full, I'd stall a while. Take one good that don't rush through.
Now that's more like it. This version includes the backing vocals and harmonies that were included in my recording, and with that additional context I added to the style prompt, Suno has understood the nature of the input audio, and that is a full look at the Suno Samples feature. From manipulating the slider fight to get exactly the right amount of influence, to using the Studio EQ for dynamic muffle effects, to using your own voice as a rhythmic engine, the possibilities are endless. The best thing you can do now is go into your own library, find those little snippets or accidents you generated months ago, and see what happens when you flip them into a new genre. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into Suno AI and the future of AI music. Thanks for watching.